Welcome to Dare to Cook. Today, we're going to cook pinakbet, called Tagalog. It's a simple dish cooked with lots of vegetable. Every region in the Philippines have their own version of this dish. Today, we're going to cook version popular in Luzon region. Within Luzon, there are other versions, but today we're going to cook Tagalog version. Today, we are cooking with sliced pork belly. It's called Sahog. Pork can be substituted with any fried fish or dried fish. I'm using fish sauce, Patis instead of shrimp paste, Bagoong. Let's get started. Heat the pan and add oil. And also I already boiled the pork belly with some salt and cut into strips. Add pork belly strip into the pan. Cover and cook pork until light brown and renders the pan. Add minced garlic and sliced onions. Mix well, cover and let garlic onion cook in pork fat. Add tomatoes, cook until soft. Pour in fish sauce, Patis, and continue cook for 1 minute. Add long beans, sitaw, eggplant, talong, drumstick, malunggay bunga, and bitter melon, the ampalaya. Make sure to mix well to coat pork flavor to all vegetable. Cover and cook for a few minutes. Now, add squash, kalabasa, and okra and mix well. Add salt to taste. Also add 1 cup of water, cover and cook for a few minutes. Please don't overcook the vegetable. It's always good to have a little bit crunchy. Pinakbet is ready to serve. If you are vegetarian, this can also be a vegetarian dish. If you don't add pork, substitute fish sauce with salt, pepper, and very little of soy sauce. Thank you for watching. Try this simple and healthy recipe and post your comments. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Click bell icon to get our upcoming videos. Enjoy!